All right, so we're going to get into something a little bit different now, and we're just going to start this, so don't freak out about it. We're just barely starting. So factoring binomials is easy. That's what we just did. But what we really need to do is be able to factor trinomials. Okay, trinomials, because that's what we usually see quadratics as, like this standard form right here. So such as y equals x squared plus 7x plus 10. How do you factor something like this? Well, there is a little bit of a system to it. It's a little bit strange, and it's not intuitive. Okay, so we're going to learn about this new skill called diamond puzzles. In my experience, this is the easiest way, and also the easiest way to remember. That's the most important thing, is it's easy to remember how to do it after you do it a few times, because it always looks the same. But it's not intuitive. So what is a diamond puzzle? Well, here's what the puzzle looks like. This is our diamond. They call it a diamond because if you connect these sides, it looks like a diamond. Whatever, it's an X. So I'm going to use some letters. These letters just represent a number. So M and N, they're just a number. Whatever, two different numbers. What goes in the top of the puzzle is M times N. So when you multiply these two, it goes up here. What goes in the bottom is M plus N. Okay, so this is how the puzzle's set up. So let's just give an example, and this is the easiest form of this. That's all we're doing today. So if I give you what M and N are, what's going to go in the top and the bottom? So let's say that M, in this case, let's say it's going to be, doesn't really matter, 9. And let's say that this is 2. Well, what goes in the top of this puzzle? Well, M times, so you multiply. So 9 times 2 is 18. So that's what goes up here. And then what goes down here? You add them. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So that's what goes down here. You don't need to box them in or anything. I was just showing you. Those are the two we found. Let me do that one more time just to make sure this is 100% solid. So let's say we had 7 and 4. So what goes in the top? You're going to multiply. 7 times 4 is 28. Bottom, you're going to add. That is 11. So there's your completed puzzle. Okay, so we're going to practice just this basic part, and we'll get into some more complicated stuff later in the week.